Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by editing DNS where your domain lives, log into the registrar, and go straight to DNS settings. Once there, find the record and CNAME fields because you'll replace them with Shopify's values. Make sure you have Shopify's record, usually an IP, and the www CNAME ready. Copy them exactly. While you're in the account, disable any conflicting redirects or parking that might block DNS changes. This step gets the connection rolling and prevents common misconfigurations early on. Now you'll change or add the specific records. Set the root record to Shopify's IP and remove other records that could conflict because multiple root records cause failures. Next, set the www CNAME to shops. Shopify.com and ensure no other CNAME exists for www. Save your edits and check the DNS-TTL so you know how long propagation will take. Once saved, return to Shopify's admin and use the connect existing domain flow to verify. Finish by verifying the domain inside Shopify and enabling SSL so your site is secure. Shopify will issue a TLS certificate automatically after DNS resolves. Expect propagation and certificate issuance to take up to 48 hours, so be patient but monitor status in Shopify. If verification fails, recheck that the and CNAME exactly match Shopify's requirements, clear your browser DNS cache, and retry. Key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, confirm no Cloudflare or proxy is interfering and temporarily disable it while verifying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.